All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am in Tucson, Arizona. I am leaving the RV park, Prince of Tucson, where I am camped with my friends Dave and Edna. And today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm meeting Dave and another triker, Chuck, who is a mechanic at Ajo Bikes here in Tucson, and he has offered to lead us on a ride up a mountain. It's got two names. It's called A Mountain. It's also called Sentinel Peak. And so yeah, on my way to meet Chuck and Dave just outside the park. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. So here is Chuck and Edna. I'm not entirely sure what happened to Dave because he actually left ahead of me, so I had expected that he would be here. Morning. How are you doing, Chuck?
Hi. I'm putting a hook up. Start to put a hook up in my drive.
Here comes Dave. And we are off. Like a herd of turtles. So this is the spur from the Prince of Tucson RV Park, and that will get us onto the Tucson Loop. It's kind of nice to have such convenient access. And
Clear.
so we're gonna check both ways. Oh look, there's a Roadrunner.
Oh, looky, Roadrunner.
Hi, Roadrunner. Meet me. So Kelly's just gonna ride with us for a little bit. She's doing the whole loop today. Not gonna join us going up the mountain.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's always fun to meet people you know out here. Seems to happen a lot. And I think from here to the top of the mountain, we're going to be road riding. It's nice of Chuck to volunteer to lead this ride, but he said he does this pretty often and he lives pretty close. So we're taking off on Congress Street. Appears to have a very nice bike lane. All right, so we've turned off of Congress onto Westmoreland. What's that, Dave?
You ever notice a house looks different when you're on a bike?
Yeah, everything looks different on a bike. This is a bumpy road. I imagine these roads get pretty well baked all summer long. A nice flower on that mailbox. And we're going to take a right. And this is Cedar Street. And then we're turning left onto Sentinel Peak Road. And from here, it's all uphill. And I think some of it's going to be pretty steep. But we're following the signs to Sentinel Peak. And there is a park at the top. Gorgeous view up here. Oh, this is a nice looking house with a gorgeous cactus here. Yeah, there's a clearer view of downtown and mountains. Here's a ghost bike. I can't read what it says. Rick Elway, I think it said. And then, see, look at all these peaks, and it's all saguaro cactus, which only grows in the Sonoran Desert. And the Sonoran Desert goes from Phoenix area all the way down into Mexico in the Sonora area, Sonora state of Mexico. So this is really the reason why I wanted to do this ride, was to get up close with these amazing cactus, saguaro cactus. I bet there's a lot of hikes up here. In fact, I think I can see a trail that goes zigzag up here. Well, look at these cactus. Isn't this amazing? Yeah, Sentinel Peak Park. City of Tucson, Parks and Recreation. Oh, it's blocked off here. Huh, interesting. Okay, Dave's helping get Myrtle under the, oh, it just fits. Just fits. He had to like push down on the suspension. That's pretty nice, isn't it? So Dave needs to get his flag off, and his should fit under there pretty easily because he doesn't have a basket.
Yeah, but I also got a 26-inch rear wheel.
Yeah, I still think I don't think you're higher than my basket. You want me to hold that, Dave?
Please.
So now Dave's going to get his trike under there. No problem at all.
Got her? Yeah.
All right, so we're going to...
Onward and upward.
Yeah, just keep going. This is nice to have a car-free road for this for the rest of this ride. It's a pretty nice view up here. Tucson Airport in the distance. You can see planes taking off and landing. The mountains off in the distance. Yeah, you can see we're getting to the top. All right, so that was a pretty fun downhill, right? How'd you like that downhill, Dave?
Darling.
Did you like it?
Yes, it was fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Except for the road condition. It's a great ride.
Yeah, the road is pretty rough, so we couldn't just let it rip. Even with full suspension, it's a pretty bumpy road, but it's still really fun, and that view from up there is fantastic. So now we're going for tacos. Okay, so we're at the Mercado. It's supposed to have the best tacos in town. Our trikes are here, the mailman's here, and we're gonna go get tacos. These are supposed to be the best tacos in Tucson. Sace.
We'll find out.
We're gonna find out very soon. And we have heated lamp here too. Only in Tucson it's 70 degrees and there's a heated lamp to make sure you're warm enough. All right, there goes Chuck. We got our engine started.
3-point turn.
Okay, oh yeah, I'll give you some room. There's a big plant right here. Can't make the turn. Okay, 3-point turn out of the Mercado. We'll see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. Always nice when there's bike lanes. Make you feel like you're expected. And then this is the entrance to the Santa Cruz River Park. And we're going to get back on the loop. Well, it was really fun riding with you, Chuck.
Yep.
Thank you for showing us around.
See you on the next one.
We're coming to Chuck's turn-off point. He's going to peel off and head to his house. He lives very close here. And Dave and I will continue on back to the RV park. Prince of Tucson.
Start braking and turn all these.
Yeah, exactly.
Alrighty.
All right. Nice seeing you.
See you next time.
All right, see you next time. Take care, Chuck. So, Dave, we're on our own.
Oh, I hope we can find your way home.
You don't think we can? Are you nervous?
I'm scared.
You're scared, aren't you?
It might be dark.
Might get dark. You'll have to let me know what you guys think about this ride. Up to the top of Sentinel Peak, a mountain. And it was kind of a bumpy ride coming down, but it was really, really beautiful being around all those saguaro cactus. Got to fly the drone on the way back down. And just a really nice excursion, something a little bit different than just riding the Tucson Loop. But we've experienced some of that too. So I really want to say thanks to Chuck for leading the ride and guiding us up and back. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from everybody. I answer all comments. And be safe, be healthy, and I will see you in the next video.